Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to, you know, delete your TikTok watch history. So if you are thinking of deleting your TikTok watch history, then this video is for you. So in here, tap on the profile, tap on the profile icon. Yeah, and tap on the three lines. That's the menu. Tap on the menu. Yeah, and select settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. Okay. So in here, select activity center. So tap on the activity center. Then select watch history. Select watch history. Tap on watch history. Yeah, so realizing here it will give you your watch history. So just tap the select at the top corner and you realize select all watch history. That's at the bottom corner. Tap on that space and so select all the videos, your watch histories. Then tap on the delete. And that's it. All your watch history has been cleared. So that's how easy and simple it is to delete your watch history on TikTok. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also, share to your loved ones. See you in the next video.